Hello, hello. Welcome. Just sorting something out here. I know my audio's a bit off and all that. Bear with me. There we go. Okay, hello and welcome all. Hi there, William. Hope you're well, mate. So, what am I doing today? Well, Reelcat, who is the other guy who does the Trinity builds, he does a mini ISO. He released one today. In fact, he was really fast at releasing one, as the server's only got updated yesterday for the new Trinity build 14.0.8. So I've downloaded the ISO. I've not looked at the ISO. All I've done is I've made a quick and dirty. You found me on a piece of Linux OS forums. Very cool. Yeah, I'm present arms. Yeah, I'm present arms everywhere. Yeah, not that difficult to find really, but yep, that's me. Yeah, you will see me as a moderator and whatever. So, anyhow. Who do you go under in the forums, William? I'll just wait for others to join you, so. Because it is 4:30 in the afternoon in the UK, which the Cinnamon desktop environment is having an issue. Well, Peace Lost doesn't run Cinnamon. Hello there, Johan. Good to see you. Hope you're well, or at least feeling better than you was. I heard that you wasn't too well, so. But I hope you are well. Hold on. No, I'm holding. I'm just making myself a cigarette, actually. I just thought I'd do a lot. I haven't done a stream in ages, and I thought, well, it's about time you're done one, you lazy git. Yeah, I'm fine. I'm all good. I'm just waiting for some peeps. Well, I don't even know how many viewers I have right now. Well, according to this, 2, which is cool. 2's better than none. Am I buffering, by the way? I shouldn't be, but you never know. "5 days off work. Oh, way to go. Way to go. No buffering? Excellent. That's what I like to hear. Just what? Very cool. Very cool. Anyway, I'll just let this boot up and just do a quick and dirty install. It won't take long. Oh, that's an interesting interface, Mr. Reelcat. But very cool. Size of that toolbar. Alright, let's install that. Actually, that might not be a bad idea. Just use the free space. Oh, okay, cool. Cool, William. No problem. Yeah, the panel is a bit big. Hello there, Don. Good to see you, bud. Okay, yeah, it's alright, William. I've never come across that ID in the forum yet, but that's okay. Don't worry about it. I'll find you if I wanted to. My PC's ramping up on the fans. I did give it a dust out last night. I actually stripped it down and dusted it out. But she's still ramping up the fans. Alright, what I do have to do is mute that. Right, where was I? Oh yeah, getting ready for the old grubby poos. It's actually downloaded quite quick for me today. I was quite surprised. I don't know why, but looks like the PC lost servers were actually working for a change. It's so cool. Because it isn't up on NLUUG yet. It's too new. So I hope you are well done. If you hear any background noise, I've got a son in another room. He's got his telly on. Not much I can do about that. So that's that done. So let's log out this and reboot into the OS proper, and then I can install some stuff. This is the mini version, which means there's probably naff all installed, but there we go. Restart. You sent me a message on the forums. Okay, I won't look at that right now, William, because I've only got one monitor, and if I bring my browser up, it could be for the world to see. So very cool. But I will reply to it. I'm amazed I got any messaging space left, actually. Yeah, Johan's gonna be taking advantage of the 5 days off. How do there, Cider? Good to see ya. How are you, sir? Hope you're fine and well and keeping safe, etc., etc. Okay, so it's told me I'm at UTC. Well, it's fair enough, I guess. Close, but no cigar. I've got to go up, haven't I, for my GB. There we are. Not that I really have to do it, but you know. Put my usual crap in. I could do a DT thing and just do PIPA, couldn't I? But meh, whatever. Okay, so we've come to the old personalizer wizard, which I thought would be not used for some reason. So let's skip it, quit, and we'll just give me the desktop as is. If it wants to, that is. Oh, there we go. Quick splash, and we're in light filling. Let's turn the tips off, don't need them. I pretty much know how to use it. Now, can I get a different resolution? I can, but I'll... By rights, the tool should be installed, so... Where would they be? Vbox test media, configure your computer. Has he not installed the ISO for the thingy? Oh. Oh no, it's under lost and found for some reason. He hasn't tidied up the menu. Okie dokie then. Let's get some guest install business going. Edge on Linux. Do we really need that? Honestly, Johan. To be honest, Edge on Linux. Edge on Linux. Anyway, got a Spark. Oh, a spare. Sorry, I thought that said Spark for a second then. I can't tell what a Spark. Nice. Got a spare i7 Lappy, so I'm going to give it a go with Debian and the Trinity repos. Sound like fun. Yeah, why not, Don? When you do, go into the forums, or rather the mailing list for Trinity. For some reason, the Debian doesn't behave as well as mine does with Trinity. Do not know why. Yeah, I got Brave and Click and Chrome installed on this. Okay, guess this should have been installed successfully, which means a reboot. I'm going to have to ask Techstar a couple of questions about permissions actually. Yeah, well, which? Oh, WN10. Okay. Clicks will end soon. Can't see why. They updated a couple of days ago, Johan. Anyway, yeah, let's log in. Alright, let's wait for the graphics drivers to kick in and resize this a bit. I'll grab it. No, I don't want to close it. That person. Just want to make you a bit bigger. Really? Oh, there we go. Oh, it said the guest edition's installed, but alas. Oh. Yeah, for some reason the guest edition's installed but did nothing. That's weird. Ah, okay. Just excuse me just for a minute. Alright, okay, cool. Weird. Very, very strange indeed, but never mind. You thought I was buffering, but YouTube decided to pause itself. Yeah, it's the way things happen. Okay, let's see what the man has installed for us. Well, we know we've got the guest editions. We've got KView and TDE fonts. AnyDesk. Okay, that's an interesting addition. Conqueror, of course, and KNet, Network Center. KMix and Pulse Audio for our multimedia, so there's nothing installed. This is the mini one, this is the one you're supposed to add stuff to. It's got my live USB in there. Departed, Qt 5 settings, and of course the Trinity control center. There have been little changes to that, I believe. I haven't really looked over it myself too much, because I'm building mine over the next couple of days. Synaptic, counter, DD copy, blah blah. Utilities, Kwrite, case, blah blah. Yeah, so it's the basic, always got fast repo installed as well, which goes off and tells you which repos request. VBox test media. Right, when you got VirtualBox installed, and I will show you VBox test media on mine, you need VirtualBox installed and it's not going to be installed on the mini. So bear with me. So if I click on my own, VBox test media, boom. And what it does, it allows you to run an ISO or even a USB device. So if you've just made yourself a USB, you can quickly test it. Hello there, Lama. I do believe I got a USB here, but I don't know if it's got an OS on it or it's just a formatted USB drive. So let's have a look. It's telling me it's bootable, but we'll see what's on it first. No, it's just ISOs. Okay, so anyway, oops, can't grab it. Right, if I click ISO file, I can choose the number of cores, whether I want to boot in BIOS or EFI, the amount of RAM to give, what to link it to, like well and zero or thingy, what type of system, I'll leave it that, and then you can search for your ISOs. I do believe I've got a couple in downloads. I don't want to do Trinity-mini again, do I? But I do have the execute. We'll open that and click OK, and it will go away and boot and test the ISO for you or the USB stick. That's just so you don't need to do a full like make up a VirtualBox just to test something's running. So anyway, it's that. VBox test media. Basically a script. So anyway, let's go to system and synaptic and see what there is. Right, it's managed to clean that up, that's cool. Let's reload. Click on status once it's loaded. Right, new thing in there, but got a new repository, which is everything, of course, because it's a new install. So, so the VirtualBox is already installed, which is cool. As the guest editions, test media, we knew that. VirtWatch is the script to tell you which is the hyper version you're running and all that kind of business. Maybe that's what's missing. Right, we'll apply that then. Okay, let's reboot now. Let's see if I can get it to bloody resize. No. It says press any key to... Okay, so as soon as I install that... Okay, that's rather cool. Or not. No, it's stuffed. Okay, let me have another look at something then. Let's boot her one more time. Advanced options, recovery mode. Let's see if we can bring it up that way. So he has installed the NVIDIA driver, which is cool. Yeah, I know, right? I looked all over my keyboard for that. So I'll just bring it up another way. Thank you, recovery mode. Okay. So we're back in. We'll find out in 1 minute whether the graphics driver does want to play with me. Or not. Well, it's fast booting, but it don't seem want to resize. Okay, so PPC should be installed on here, I hope. It is. Have a look at the old graphical server, see what it says. Oh, VMware, okay. Let's try that one. Okay, so I'll go reboot, but I don't actually need to reboot. Just up to down service. Okay, starting building, get you this may take a while. Build clearance, blah blah blah. Okay. I'm already at it 5, aren't I? Oh, Ali is such a div at times. Okay. I'll let that settle down for a second. I still won't resize. Okay, I just want to test something there. Let's kill that off. Won't hurt it. Because that's really weird. Okay, let's go into my own Trinity build. It's my personal one, it's not the one I'm building. The one I'm building is actually on hardware. So, let's see what happens. And it does boot slower than the Mini, I know. Right then. So I ain't got no password for my login. Because it was just a quick and dirty build. But it was updated yesterday, so test. So that's all good. Hello, low spec. Sorry, mate, didn't see you in there. Hope you are well. Oh, I see they changed the splash screen. Bastards. So that's a job I've got to do then. So, anyway. Let that load up. I want to go get rid of a simple thingy as well. One day you're going to kill those dogs. Are they yapping a bit, mate? Well, I don't know actually if I've got... No, I probably haven't. So, let's do that then. Although this is a new version of VirtualBox, so we'll see. I'm also on an earlier kernel. Can't bone a dog. Oh, give the dog a bone, sorry. I say you can't bone a dog, that's illegal. Yeah, absolutely. Was it a neighbour's mutt? Or mutt's, you will give a dog a bone. Need that paggy back, eh? Yeah, that didn't restart at all. I must have just... Huh. Okay, let's see what happens this time. Oh, don't be like that. Okay, let that settle down a minute. Yeah, so I have the volume really low for VirtualBox. Alright, I'm waiting. No, it looks like we got... Maybe it's the same for me then. I do not know. Well, that's interesting. Yeah, it's changed, I know that. That's the one I wanted. Actually, it isn't, is it? See, speaking of food, you're hungry. Yeah, I'm a bit hungry myself. Mind you, it is coming up to 6 o'clock where you are, Johan, so... I'm gonna see if there's a local chippy open or something. Oh, that'll do. The widescreen version of VGA, man. Why not? It's what a lot of people run their lappies anyway. Hi there, Tinks. Hope you're doing well, Tinker. Oh, I've got upgradable stuff here. What have I got? Kernel space headers and new kernel. Oh, cool. And Brave's going to be updated, okay, so... I might do that for installation, why not? Oh, I should have something called kernel latest here. Oh, there we go, that'll do it. Boom. So now I've got a new bloody kernel to update on my own machine as well. Isn't that a groovy thing? Hello, Cancer, hope you're well. So I didn't set the resolution as default, so it don't really matter. I'm more interested to see whether this boots up a new kernel. Building? No, I'm not building anything, mate. I was just testing something. I just tested another ISO out and did Trinity-mini. Installed the guest editions and that all happened. And I've got to work out a reason as to why, so that's fun. But I did update VirtualBox, I'm just wondering if that was the issue. But never to mind, if it is or not. Okay, got a configuration file, it's found everything it needs. Cool. Okay, let's mark all the upgrades, because I forgot to mark the upgrades. What a dope. Let's do that now, shall we? Huh. But no, I'm not building anything today. The Trinity build that will be coming out in a couple of days will be done on hardware. This very machine in fact, so I have another partition for that I build. And then once I've done the ISO, copy it over to this one and then upload it. Oh, excuse me. Okay. Doodle. Yeah, you should go eat. Why not? Yeah, I hope everybody's fine as well. Oh, it's doing a lot of reading and writing to the old hard drive there, so. Interesting. You didn't have a pound or a tidal key? Oh, okay, that's weird. What, wasn't it a US or UK keyboard though? Oops, lost the screen. Hold on. Oh, there we go, we're back. Oh, no, we're not. Yes, we are. Let's see, escape a minute. See what's up. Oh, it's building new drivers. Of course it is. I was wondering why it was bloody longer building. It's got to build a bloody current driver, hasn't it? I should have just removed DKMS from the build because I don't need it on VirtualBox side. Yeah, summer's on its way, man. It's a glorious day here today. Yeah, it is. It's really nice out here, Hannah. Here. Oh, I should pop to the shop later. Up to 26. I don't know what it is here now. I don't even know what the top temperature was here either, to be honest. eBay's giving me a message as well for some reason. It's reading 21. Oh, hang on. Let me update that. It's 21 at midday. So let's see what she says now. And it's still 21 degrees now. So it's 21 degrees Celsius. I can get a 680 for how much? 80 quid. That's 15 quid off. But alas, it don't work properly, so I don't want it. And from there down to 15. Yeah, it happens like that though, doesn't it? Mind you, it's only Wednesday now, so, you know, we've got a few days of good weather, I hope. I like it when it really does heat up on this island, I gotta admit. 29, 30 degrees Celsius, very nice. I'm one of those type of people that if I do go down instead of up through my previous actions, I'll just be saying to Satan, is this all the heat you got, like? Come on now. I'm feeling a bit chilly here. Right, here we go. Well, that finally booted. Huh, okay. Well, that's running off a brand new kernel, so instead of brand new because I'm only on 5.6.13, 5.6.14 come out, which is usually the way things go. Do I have AR and R? Oh dear, I forgot to put on the extra. Oh, there we go. XP send like, what is? Okay. Boom, boom, da, dum, dum. Dum, da, dum, da, dum, da, dum, 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 dum. Dum, da, dum, da, dum, da, dum. That's give me exact same minute. Oh well, whatever. Startup sound out like is the KDE3 startup sound? Yeah, chump. What are you doing, chab? Huh, that's interesting though. Nah, alright, let's kill that off. Oh, how much memory are you using? 313 meg, that's right. Adway to dark? Yeah, it can be. For the GTK3 theme. It's just for the GTK themes. Remember, Trinity is actually cute. Hello, Farron. Shadow drop. Okay, cool. Yeah. Actually, I don't know what themes I'm using on my own here. Arc Dark, apparently. I never take much notice what theme I'm using, to be honest. Once I get it set on, I'm pretty much happy with it. Anyway, while I'm here, I can do my own. Let's see what updates Ali's got on his own machine. Apart from the kernel. Okay, let's see. We've got Fozilla, Chrome, kernel space headers, and libfozilla. What else? No, that's it. So we'll mark in. Boom. Apply. Fan not offer and dark view, fair enough. Yeah, theme's redesigned. Well, of course it is. I'm way too lazy to redesign a theme, man. Get what you're given. Redesign it yourself after, I don't care. So I'm not going to reboot into the new kernel yet. It'll be pretty pointless because this OS isn't actually handling the bootloader. The other one is. So even though I could update, so even if I did reboot, it won't come up in the grub list yet. Unless I change that, of course. I mean, I can. Ain't no problem there. It's funny that Brave got updated before Chrome did. Interesting. Yeah, so that's that done. Righty then. Actually, I could actually do that, couldn't I? Bring the bootloader back to this one. Set up boot system. EFI correct. 5 seconds. Yeah, I do. Bootloader installation in progress. There we go. Done. I do believe there is a new redo MBR for PIST Linux OS. I'm going to have to do that in a minute. The voice on my stereo now. Very cool. Auto Google. Okay, could be wrong then. USB, GTK module, base system, blah blah. The root. Blah blah. Boot splash. Okay. Just looking down here for my own interest actually. So ignore me. Yeah, I see. Of course, one I thought I saw one in the Naptic earlier. But till last I could be wrong. Oh, I've done it again. Yeah, that's fine, Tim. Do you have Discord or anything like that, Tim? Discord or Zoom or whatever? I got you under my skin. Oh, I quite like the version with Frank and Nancy. Which one? Which one, Tim? Shirley Temple. And the good chip lollipop. Oh, you got all of them. Okay, oh, just thinking, Tim, to be honest. 5:15 my time now, so if I end the stream, say in about half an hour, and I'll get Discord up. Have you got a link for me? Hold on. That's copied, but what does that copy to? Paste. There we go. That's from my Discord, Tim. Yeah, but that's my Discord number and that. If you wanna add me as a dude, like I don't know if I got you already. You see. So that might help. But any time this week, yeah, fine. Just let me know. Tim, just drop me a direct message on Discord and I'll just check it. I don't always have, I want to tell you a story. Max Bygraves, Don. Yeah, I want to tell you a story. My life. It's going back a bit, you know what I mean? Showing your age a bit there, Don, knowing Max Bygraves. That's for sure. Yeah, so hit me with a friend request, Tim. And, no problem. I don't see any old direct messages here. Oh, no. Indian curry soup. Seriously. That's the thing. Indian curry soup. Really? If Silent Robot ever watches this stream, by the way, hope you're getting well soon. He's not too well. He's had a bit of a chest infection. Toddle on my arse. Yeah, no problem, Tim. Just add me to Discord and then yeah, message me up and I'll make sure I'll get back to you. I promise you, I will. And we'll have a chat. No worries. Yeah, I know you was having something to eat, but seriously, Indian curry soup. I didn't even know that was a thing, honestly. Yeah, it must be something the Dutch eat. That's all good. Yeah, apparently so. No, I like dal as well, actually. Yeah, I heard that he wasn't too well a couple of days ago when I was visiting EB's Discord. And I did leave him a note, but obviously he hasn't got back to me. But that's okay, it's all good. Right then, I'm gonna kill off for now, anyway, Discord, because it's just eating up my resources, little as I've got. I might be updating this laptop soon. Next month, maybe, month after. New SSD needs to get in here. And, oh, excuse me, some more memory. Oh, come on, Benny Ali. Max it out. Actually, I'm going to price that against getting myself another machine. Second hand, of course, it ain't going to be. Yeah. I might get a full laptop for the price of memory and an SSD. What do you reckon? On eBay or something? I know copper soups. Yes, I'm aware of copper soup, Johan. Thanks. Cheers for that, bud. I know what copper soup is. I just wasn't aware of the curry flavoured copper soup. That's all. Welcome back, William. Bloody chabs on my stream, I swear to God. Absolute chabs. Anyway, yep. I hope your day goes really well for you, Tim, if you're still here. Sorry. I did read your comment and I meant to reply to you and I didn't. Tut, Sally. Come on now. Anyway, in other news, I've got myself a new cassette deck. It's a Sony TCK611, a 3-head affair with Dolby S, and some blanks. So today came through some Fuji DRs, 2D KSAs. I got some Philips FEs. So that's going to be fun for me. But the cassette deck isn't like 100%. It needs a new pinch roller, which I have ordered, which I hope comes bloody soon. You have a Pioneer deck. Yeah, I've also got a Denon DRM 740, but that doesn't work properly. Out the factory, because I've had it from new. Alright, Tron. Anyway, get back on the average. Anyway, out the factory, it came out that it records and plays back out of phase. Isn't that cool? So I bought myself another 3-head deck to go along with mini disc and all that business. Yeah, it's an i5. If I bring up the old term here, to tell you, yeah, it's an i5 4300U, which is a Haswell. Well, yeah, you just say so here, doesn't it? Haswell on the GPU, so yeah, it's a Haswell chip, mobile chip. So yeah, that's what she is, an i5 thingy. Take care, Tim, be safe, and I'll see you soon on Discord. As I said, just hit me up with a private message when you're going to be around, mate, and I'll make sure I'm there. Or if I can't be there, I'll leave you a message saying when I can be there, if that makes any sense. But take care of yourself, mate, stay safe and stay sane. Hang on, I'm going to have to open this in a different window. Hey, Johan, hold on a moment. Indian needs curry. Oh, okay. Even I can convert from Dutch to English on that one, just saying. Oh, very cool. I don't know if they do it in the UK though, to be fair. Yeah, 2 core 4 thread. Done. Now what was that program? Oh, sorry, I'll do it this way. Oh, I hate it when I do that. Scroll. That's it. Bash top. Yeah, I still got that. I don't know if anybody's ever seen Bash top, but it's really quite cool. Okay, it's complaining at me because my window's too small. So let's move that over there and let's extend the window. I'll show you Bash top. Boom. Mr. Ghosty in the room. Hello, sir. It's not that us. Behave yourself, man. Yeah, but this is Bash top, which somebody found, and I thought, ooh, that's nice. It's in the repo now, so yeah. But this is the one from Git. For some reason I had an update from the one in the repo and it loads really slow, but yeah, it is what it is. You can, as you go down, it glows, and yeah, it's really quite cool. You just come back from a walk in the woods and now you think you're melting. Yeah, it's quite a nice little lap, actually. Okay, just bear with me just a second here. And what I'll do is I'll get my Discord back up and I'll add you right now. Okay, I've sent you a friend request. And it's been escorted by the most elite Discord samurai apparently, which is rather cool. So yeah, friend request sent, Tim. You have a lovely day, mate, and I'll be happy to see you soon. As I said, just drop me a line and I will get back to you. No worries. Anyway, yes, there's that. And of course you can select some terminating info and all that kind of business. A little menu up here, which is M. You got options and quit and help and all that kind of business. Which is rather cool. Is that what they're planning? No problem, team. You take care. Have a very good day. Have a very safe day. Whoa, Ghosty. Oh, that's not good. So they already got the planning permission for the developers to build on the site. That's just sad. I don't like to see woods and that going, to be honest. There's got to be some more brown fields or whatever they call it. Brain's gone today, I'm telling you. It's absolutely fried. Don't know what else I was doing. Was I doing anything on here? No. Did I kill off? No, I haven't. Why are you still only saying I got 2 viewers? I probably have, actually. I like that. It's telling me my audio bit rate is 0. Lovely, jubbly. Yeah, stay safe. Oh, right, Ghosty, so they've applied for the planning. I got you. Yeah, it's really a nice program. I know it's in my repo. Just saying. Because it would be, wouldn't it? No, I mean. At least I think it is. It is indeed in the repo. Yeah, but that bash top is rather quite nice. But it is on GitHub. That's where I found it first, was on GitHub. And you just basically just literally download it, clone it, and job done. There's no compiling to be done, it's just as it is. Because when it comes down, apparently there is a dev file there, but Debian build, Debian control post info. Apparently there is a dev file there, but I didn't use it under dev. I've just used the script. Just a shell script. So if I open it up in a LeafPad, don't know what LeafPad, but that's the script there for her. That's rather good. Not in the bus, Debian lagging behind again. Don't know what's in the themes. Oh, there are different themes. Oh yes, there is different themes. I've done it again. That's it, got you back. But it's definitely on GitHub. Let's see if we can do my history again, just see if I can find the command for you. There she is. I'm gonna check there. copy of that, paste that into a old terminal, dude. And then all you gotta do is cd bash stop and then just run it. Because that's all I did, to be honest. So what distro are you running now, Mr. Ghosty? I know you're in Debian or some sort, but is it Debian you're in, or is some kind of whatever on top that just happens to be using? Actually, I'm gonna change this a minute. Hold on, desktops, water, earth, no, I'll be conf. That's better. If I scroll now, there we go. Oh, vanilla Debian, XFCE, fair enough, mate. Fair enough. I do forget what people are using. I actually do, because they swap and change all the time. You know, I never know what distro someone's on from one day to the next. Okay, what's 11? What? You take care, Cantor. You have a fabulous day, mate. Evening, wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you soon. Yeah, stay safe, mate. Thank you for joining me. Much appreciated. I'm going in about 10 minutes because I am now hungry myself. And that's Johan's fault. Because, you know. No, you're very welcome, Ghosty. No problem there. TTFN? It was just a quick stream to show off Trinity-mini ISO. He booted, it ran, but for some reason the guest editions aren't working. So me and Chris, and the guest editions aren't working on mine either. So we're gonna have to, me and Chris are gonna have to figure that one out as to why that is not happening. Someone's watching a Superman movie by sounds of it. So that's all good. No, it won't even boot if I do that, Ferren. It doesn't even boot if you if you used to change the I'll try it in a minute. Right, if I go settings and display and do as you say, VBox VGA, and boot it, you're not even going to get a GUI out of her. At least I don't think so. Be interesting though, because VBox VGA is actually depreciated. So let's see. See, failed to start X server, upset. See? Ha. Dead. So there you have it. Dead. Well, there you go. It is the way it is. time for your medicine, Johan. Okay, mate, no workers. Right, to change the graphics back so now. I think he's got an alpha in him. Yeah, 2004. It's quite a big spiral, really, Ferron, if you think about it. It's one of the granddaddies of Linux, man. It's old Debian. Old Debian Ian's. Yeah, 2004 ain't that bad, actually. It's much better than the last iteration, in my personal humble opinion. It does install faster and does seem to be a bit quicker off the mark than previous Ubuntu's. But that's just on my machine, you know, it's anecdotal. Still not as fast as mine, but there you go, that's suffering sucker tags, that is. Suffering sugar tags. I still got Discord running. I'm not using that much what I'm considering, am I? No. So I sent him one, but he hasn't reciprocated. Okay, no problem. Yeah, wouldn't it just? Slackware, yeah, Slackware's out soon with a new release. I think it's the first one in 23 years. I'm joking. Slack updates are glacial. No, it can't be long now. But yeah, Slack does take its time between releases, that's for sure. One every 2 years, I mean, I'll work it out at, roughly. A major release every 2 years, which is fine, like, you know. And it will still be System D3, which is another bonus. Alright, I should be working on my own Trinity ISO, but I don't need to do much, it's just gotta be an update to 14.0.8 and redo our theme. And job done, no problem. Might even have it on the updated kernel, see how that works out. If not, I'll just use the LTS like I've been all the time. What's right with it, Johan? Seriously, it's a cancer. System D is a cancer, and when it's buggy as F, I am telling you. It's the only any system I know that can actually load stuff out of order. Yeah, Myo does an excellent ISO actually, as it happens goes to. Myo does an excellent little distro, and Jim does. But nah, it's the only one I know that tried to bring up network stuff without bringing the network up first. System D, quite funny. And then froze there for like 6 minutes while it tried to work out why. It's just too buggy for me. I mean, it's been around for 6 years and it's just swallowed a lot of the Linux stuff that shouldn't be swallowed. at all. And people are finding a way around System D anyway. I mean, even GNOME runs without System D now, where it didn't before. You can get GNOME on BSDs running, which is cool. In my personal opinion, that is cool. Noise when I speak. Yeah, there probably is actually. There's a lot of background noise. There's not much I can do about it, Johan. I'm sorry. Yeah, it does, doesn't it? Yeah, there's Artix, there's Debian, there's quite a few System D free distros out there. Yeah, Void as well, yeah. Anyway, ladies and gents, I'm going to end it there because I really do need to go and grab something to eat and stuff. So thank you for joining me, Ghosty, Johan, Tim earlier, Ferren, Don. Um, who else was joining me? Don, yep. Low Spec, thank you for joining me. Tinker, thank you. Yes, very cool. William, thank you. I will get you on the forum. So that's all good. So take care all. Be good, be safe, and don't let the bastards get you down. And I'll see you all soon. Take care all, and thank you again.